Sunday morning, about 6:30, October the 13th. See if we can get back on these fish again. Not bad start. Oop. Even better, came right off. But he ate that little rattle trap. Yeah. Those little things are strong. I don't think he's that big, but he's a fighter. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, catch and release. Ah, look at that. Right at the boat. A little smaller, but a fish is a fish. I thought he was hung up on a stump down there. No, not that much. I have him snagged. Oh, what the heck is that? Yeah. Got sores all over him. Oh. Came on.
Good size one, you know it.
That was pretty good size fish.
Sure you don't leave me there?
Nah. Go out that way. Those are all largemouth right there.
Wonder why that is.
I don't know. Dang.
Got one back there?
Yeah, might need the net on this one. Oh no, he's foul hooked. Foul hooked. Or I got two. Yeah, he's foul hooked. Oh yeah, a little better. Oh, shallow running. Only runs like 1.5 feet. Hey, look at there, not on a rattle trap.
He gonna get off.
No, he ain't.
Hit it real hard. Stay on that, baby. Stay on.
Yeah, that's a good one there. And he come right off.
Yeah, I knew you.
But he's not.
It's only 11:06, but that was a lot of casting, boy.
Yeah, we started about 6:30. A lot of fish.